Hello students, I'm Samikas and you're watching Online Because. So in this video we will discuss about the fraction. I already have made a part 1 of this video. So if you have not watched that video, then please watch that video and after that you watch this video because it will help you to understand it better. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So this is using division to find fractional part of a whole number. This is a completely new thing, so let us try to understand. Here it is a question, what is half 1 by 2? What do we call 1 by 2? 1 by 2 as half, yes or no? So what is half of 6? Half means 1 by 2, remember it. So the solution is already done here, but I will show you how you can obtain this. So let us think of 6 banana like this. Okay, now we have to find the half of this 6 banana. Half means what? 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means what? We will make 2 parts. Okay, that means we will divide this 6 banana into 2 group like this. Okay, now you have to take 1 group because 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. So that's why 1 group you have to take. So in 1 group, how many banana are there? Definitely you will say 3 banana. That is what 1 by 2 of 6 is 3. Understood? So again I am repeating what we did. First we took 6 banana because we are going to take the 1 by 2 of 6 banana. And 1 by 2 means what? The denominator is 2 here. The denominator, this is called denominator. The denominator is 2 here. So we will group them into 2 groups like this. 2 groups I have made. And from that group you have to take one group. This 1 means what? 1 group you have to take. So in 1 group, how many banana are here? 3 banana are here. So that's why 1 by 2 of 6 is 3. Is it clear? Let us take another example to understand it better. Now 1 by 3 of 9. 1 by 3 of 9. So in this case we will think of taking 9 banana. Okay, let us take 9 banana. Now 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This 3 means you have to make 3 group. So if we make them 3 group, then it will be look like this one. Yes or no? Now you have to take 1. 1 means what? 1 group you have to take. So in 1 group, how many banana here? You will say 3 bananas here. So that's why 1 by 3 of 9 is 3. Is it clear? Let us take another example. Now this time 2 by 3 of 9. 2 by 3 of 9. So we will think that we will have 9 banana. And since it is 3, we have to make 3 group. Okay, we have to make 3 group. So if you make 3 group, then in each group you will have 3 bananas. Okay, now the point is here. It is, you see, it is what? 2. Yes or no? 2 by 3. So 3 group we have made. From that 3 group, you have to take 2 group like this. Now you tell me, in this 2 groups, how many bananas here? You will say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have 6 bananas. So that's why 2 by 3 of 9 is 6. Now you can do this by a short trick. Do you like to see the trick? This is the trick. What we have done, first we have written the question 2 by 3 of 9. Then after putting this equal sign, change this of into multiplication sign. You see this one has changed, this of has changed to multiplication sign. Yes or no? Now 2 by 3 into 9. Then what we will do, we will divide this 9 by this 3. Divide this 9 by this 3, then we will cancel them. So 3 3 0 is 9, so that's why I have written the small 3 here. Okay, because 9 will be cancelled by 3 times. Okay, now what is left, what we are left with? 2 multiplied by this small 3, so 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 is our answer. Is it clear? Let us take another example. Okay, this time we have 16 bananas. Okay, sorry, where is the banana? Oh, I forgot. Yes, these are the bananas. Okay, now these are the bananas. How many bananas? Can you count them? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16 bananas I have. Now we have to make 4 groups. Since this is 4, this is 4, you say. Since this is 4, we have to make 4 groups, 4 equal groups. Okay, so if you make them 4 groups, then in each group how many bananas will be there? In each group how many bananas will be there? You will have 1 2 3 4 4 bananas you will have. Am I right? After that, you look at this number. You look at this number. This number is what? 2. So you have to take 2 groups. Now you tell me, in these 2 groups how many bananas are there in total? Then you will say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 bananas I have. Yes, you are right. So that's why 2 by 4 of 16 is 8. Now can we do it using a trick? Yes, of course you can do it. 2 by 4 of 16. 2 by 4 of 16. First you have to write this one. Then after that you have to put this equal sign. Then 2 by 4 you write, and this off will change to multiplication sign. Is it clear? Then 16. This 16 is this 16. Yes or no? Now we will try to divide this 16 by this 4, and you will say 4 4s are 16. So that is the small 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16, because now what you left with? 2 into 4, and 2 into 4 is what? 8. So this is the way to do this. Okay, now I have some questions, some word problems. Let us see them. There are 360 trees in an orchard. Orchard means like a garden like structure. There are a lot of trees will be there. So there are 360 trees in an orchard. 3/4 of the trees are apple trees. Try to understand this. 3/4. If you have watched that video, then definitely you will know what is 3/4. Okay, 3/4 means what? 3/4 means 3 by 4. If you have not watched that video still, then you please watch that video, and you will get the link of that video in the description link. Okay, yes, this is the video. 3/4 of the trees. 3/4 of the trees are apple trees. How many trees are apple tree? Now let us, how many trees are apple trees? Now let us think again. There are 360 trees. Okay, 360 trees in an orchard. 3/4 of the trees are apple trees. How many trees are apple trees? So you will say, how many apple tree? 3 by 4 of 360. Yes or no? 3 by 4 of 360. Using that trick, you remember that trick, what we did in the trick? Yes or no? You see that one, this trick? So the same thing we will have to do in this question. Okay, now this off will change to multiplication sign, and then you have to try to divide this 360 by this 4. And if you do so, you have to do it in a rough paper. Okay, you have to divide this 360, this 360 by 4. And I already made a video about how to do division. Okay, and I will put the link of that video too in my description link, and you will get that video. Okay, in that there are a lot of videos are there, how to do multiplication, how to do division. I already have made, so go and watch that video. Now let us come back. Now 4, you have to divide this 360 by 4. Now you tell me 4 9s are 36 and 0, so 90 will be here. Okay, now what we are left with, you will say 3 and multiplication sign and 90. So this is 3 multiplied by 90 and will be equal to 270. Okay, if you do the multiplication, then you will get this 270. And similarly, you have to do the same multiplication in the rough page you can do, or simply you can easily do this one, because there is a 0, yes or no? So that 0 will be put at the end, and just multiply this 3 and 9. If you know the table, then 3 9s is 27. Okay, so that's why 270. There are 270 apple trees. Okay, now let us take another question. How many minutes are there in 1 by 12 of an hour? Okay, now you see the solution. First of all, you have to take this 1 by 12 of an hour. Okay, in an hour, how many minutes? In 1 hour, you know that 60 minutes are here. Okay, so this is it, this is the end. 1 by 12 of 60, we have to do these multiplications. Okay, we have to do this calculation, 1 by 12 of 60. Now as I already have told you, of will change to multiplication sign like this, and the remaining will be same. Now you will have to divide this 60 by 12, and if you do the division, if you try to do the division at least, then you will get 5 as the answer, because 12 5 is 60. Now what we are left with, 1 multiplied by 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is what? 5. So there are 5 minutes. So in 1 by 12 of an hour is 5 minutes. Okay, is it clear? So I think you are clear with this topic. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it. And if you found this video useful, then please do share it and like the video.